Hi to everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you the conversion of one number system to another number system. In my previous video, I explained you how to convert a decimal number system to other form of number system and a binary number system to other form of number system. If you want to need that video, means I will put it in my comment box. You can access it. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to convert octal number system to other form of number system. We already know that the base of octal is 8 and the base of binary is 2 and the base of decimal is 10 and the base of hexadecimal is 16. Here I am going to explain how to convert octal number system to other form of number system and hexadecimal number system to other form of number system. This is the general number system table. Here in this table I am supposed to write the equivalent values of binary and octal hexadecimal for the given decimal numbers. For example, if the decimal number is 1, means the corresponding binary representation is 001, 8421 rule is applied here, and the octal representation for the given decimal number 1 is somewhat similar, it is also 1. For hexadecimal also it is 1. Up to 7 there is no issue, whereas for 8, the decimal number 8, the octal number is not 8, it is somewhat 10, and the hexadecimal number is 8. Up to 7 there is no change when compared with the decimal values. And whereas for 10, the decimal number 10, the corresponding hexadecimal number is A. Up to 9, the decimal value is equivalent to hexadecimal value, whereas for 10 in decimal, it is A, corresponding hexadecimal value is A, and it can goes on increasing as A, B, C, D in an alphabetic manner. And this is the first example how to convert a octal number to a binary number. This is the given example 3451 to the base 8, and you are supposed to find out a binary equivalent number for the given octal number with the base 8. I am going to apply 4 to 1 rule here. If the given number is in hexadecimal, means I am supposed to apply 84 to 1 rule. Where the given number is octal, means I am going to apply a 4 to 1 rule. For the corresponding binary number for 3, octal number 3 is 4 to 1, apply 4 to 1 rule, 3, so 2 plus 1, so I put 1 and 1. For 4 I put 1 0 0 4 2 1, and for 5 4 2 1 1 0 1 4 and then 1, so you are supposed to get 5. So this is the corresponding binary representation number for the given octal number 3451. Next I am going to tell you how to convert octal number to decimal number system. So this is the given octal number 3451. I am going to convert the octal number system to decimal conversion 3451. I multiply each and every number octal number with 8 to the power of some weightage. So 1 into 8 to the power of 0, and 5 into 8 to the power of 1, and 4 into 8 to the power of squared, and 3 into 8 to the power of cube. If the number exceeds, means then across 8 to the power of 4, 8 to the power of 5, the power goes on increasing. And suppose 8 power 0, we already know that it is 1, so 1 into 1 it is 1, 5 into 8 power 1 it is 40. I am supposed to sum up all the values, and the final value is 1833. So 1833 is the corresponding decimal number system for the given octal representation. Next I am going to tell you how to convert octal number to hexadecimal number system. It is not possible for you to directly convert the octal number to hexadecimal representation. You are supposed to convert the octal number into binary, then only it is possible for you to convert it into hexadecimal. So 345 already told you, if the given number is in octal form, means you can apply 4 to 1 rule for binary conversion. So 345 for 345 the corresponding binary representation is 011. 4 to 1 rule 4 to 1 rule is applied. 4 to 1, 2 plus 1 it is equal to 3. For 4 1 0 0. For 5 4 to 1, so put 1 near to 4 and put 1 near to 1. 4 plus 1 it is equal to 5. Then proceed to hexadecimal conversion. From the obtained binary, I am going to convert it into hexadecimal. For hexadecimal, you need 4 binary bit digit to form a form a particular group. So here 1010 form a group, and 0111 form a group. There is a single 0, so you have to drop this 0. And you have to write the corresponding hexadecimal representation of this binary, that is 1110 and 010. From the table itself you have to get a clear idea, that is 1110 binary representation. The corresponding hexadecimal representation is E. So I am supposed to write E. For 010 I am supposed to put 5. Otherwise you can simply write the hexadecimal representation based on 8421 rule. For 842 8 1 4 2 12 plus 2 14. 14 is the decimal number. The corresponding by hexadecimal representation for decimal 14 is E. Here in front of 4 1, in front of 1 1, so 4 plus 1 5, so E5. It is the corresponding hexadecimal representation for the given octal representation 345. And next is I am going to tell you how to convert hexadecimal into other form of number system. The given number is 3AF7 to the base 16. I am going to convert this hexadecimal representation into binary representation. I already told you, if the given number is octal means you are supposed to apply 4-to-1 rule, whereas the given number is hexadecimal, you are going to apply 8-4-to-1 rule. So 8-4-2-1 and the hexadecimal value is 3. So I am put 1 in front of 2 and 1 in front of this 1. So I am supposed to add this number 2 plus 1. I am supposed to get 3. Similarly, you have to write the binary representation for A, F and 7. And finally, I get the binary representation for the given hexadecimal representation. Next is how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. So A5 7 to the base 16, you are supposed to find out the base 10 decimal value. A5 7, multiply it with 16. In octal, we have to multiply it with 8, whereas in hexadecimal the base is 16 means, so you are supposed to multiply it with 16. So 16 power 0 is 1, so 1 into 7 it is 7, 5 into 16 to the power of 1, 8 16 power of square, it is equal to 2560. You are supposed to sum up this value and get the final decimal value. And the last one is hexadecimal to octal conversion. It is not here also it is not possible for you to convert hexadecimal number directly to octal. In octal also it is not possible to convert a direct octal number into a direct hexadecimal form. First of all, you should convert it into binary. From the binary itself it is possible for you to obtain the octal number system. The given number is 47F9 to the base 16. It is you are supposed to find out the base of 8. So step 1 is convert hexadecimal to binary conversion. Here 8421 rule is applied, whereas in octal 4-to-1 rule is applied. For 4, the corresponding binary number is 8421, so 1. For 7, 8421. For 8, put 0. 4-to-1, I am supposed to put 1, so it is 7. For F, 4 ones and 9, 1001. So this is the binary number for the given hexadecimal number. Convert the binary to octal. For binary to octal, I am supposed to group 3 binary digits into a form. So this 100 here, and this 111 another group, and 111 another group, and 110 another group, and 001 another group. This 0 is somewhat drop, it is not taken into account. So for this 5 groups, I am going to write the corresponding octal number 421 43771. So for the given hexadecimal representation, the corresponding octal representation value is 43771 to the base 8. So where we use this number system? Where we use this number system means in binary number must be used in computer technology and digital encoding, whereas the hexadecimal numbers are used by the IT programmers to simplify the binary number system, and it is especially used in processor whenever you are supposed to write coding in high level language and you are supposed to embed that particular coding in the controller, means that the following high level language code can be converted into hexadecimal form, and the hexadecimal form conversion is embedded or coded into the processor. It is very user friendly with the processor. The processor can easily understand the coding only if it is in a hexadecimal form. Okay.